Welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're going to be taking a look at our new 2024 GMC Canyon Denali, Onyx Black paint with a jet black antique interior. Under the hood you have a 2.7 liter turbo paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Some features you can expect to find include heated and cooling seats with a heated steering wheel, wireless charging, power sunroof, heads-up display, and so much more. Let's go take a look. First, let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. You have that jet black antique color scheme on the door panel as well as along the dash at the front of the vehicle, the center console, and the seats. Storage on the bottom and center of the door panel with power windows, mirrors, and locks, as well as memory settings for the driver's seat and mirrors. On the panel next to the steering wheel you have some interior lighting controls as well as your trailer brake controller. The black leather bucket seating with Denali etching at the top on the top of the seat there. Power controls with lumbar support on the side. Inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings and your forward collision alert. While on the right, voice recognition, steering wheel audio controls, heated steering wheel, and this button here will change the display in front of you. There's a few different displays that you can choose from depending on your preference and what you would prefer. The entertainment display in the center has your it'll have your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, cameras that you can look through here. Several options being along the bottom there, Alexa, the digital climate controls, that'll have your temperature gauge, fan speed, air conditioning controls on the display, and all the other vehicle settings and information screens that you can scroll through there. You also have navigation along the side. Audio will be AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, and of course the home screen. Just below that you'll find your physical climate control. This has your temperature gauge, fan speed, and air conditioning controls here as well. You'll also have your heated and cooling seats for the driver and the passenger located here as well. Push to start is just to the left. Just below the climate control, you'll have a couple more options, including your automatic start and stop, hazards, lane keep assist. Wireless charging pad is tucked at the front with a couple outlets for you to use. Next to the shifter is your drive mode selector and electronic parking brake. And below the shifter is your dual cup holder located just in front of the center console, which you can open up for more storage space inside. Up top, you have the rear view mirror, of course. You have some interior lighting controls above you, as well as the power controls for your sunroof. And just in front of the passenger, you have the glove box, so there's some storage space if you need it. Moving on, we'll go ahead and take a look at the exterior. You have that Onyx Black paint, the red GMC emblem in the center of the chrome grille, gray accent along the bottom of the front bumper, LED headlamps, aluminum wheels with GMC center caps, chrome mirror caps with your blind spot indicator at the front, chrome door handles with keyless entry as well, and the chrome assist steps that run along the side. At the back you have the corner step rear bumper for easier access into the back of the truck. We'll go ahead and open up the tailgate here. You have plenty of storage space in the back. Cargo tie down locations at each corner, as well as having onboard power. You can get a look at that red GMC emblem in the center of the tailgate, as well as the chrome Denali and chrome Canyon nameplates at the corner. Finally, we'll go ahead and take a look at the interior in the rear. You've got the same jet black antique color scheme you had in the front, magazine holders on the backs of the seats, the black leather seating with the accents throughout like you had in the front. The center will fold down for cup holders for the rear passengers. You can open that up there. There's a handle on the side of the seat. You can pull that to give you access to the under seat storage and give you more storage space in the back. And on the back of the center console, you have two cup holders, a couple of air vents, and a few outlets for the rear passengers to use. Thanks so much for joining me as we took a look at a new 2024 GMC Canyon Denali. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get more video reviews just like this one, and we hope to see you in the near future.